So today I'm going to be working on my 2005 Nissan Titan. Well, one, some rats ate the wiring to my wiring harness that goes to the firewall, so that's an issue. But two, it doesn't really want to hardly start anymore. I'll show you the symptoms here in a minute. But I've noticed that my negative battery cable had a lot of corrosion and rust, so I put a new terminal on it and it fixed it for a while, but it's just it looks like copper is literally so brittle that it breaks when you touch it. So I bought a new one, 30 bucks. I will have a link in the description for this part, but I'm gonna be installing this new one and hopefully that helps it start a little bit better and more consistently. So let me show the symptoms real quick. It's not very consistent, like it will start, but then it won't the next time. I think it just clicks. It might just work. Yeah, well. Turn it off. Let me try it again. Well, now it wants to work. I'd try to start it and it would just click. I'd turn the key off, do it again, it would click. And like the third or fourth time I did it, it would start right up. So it's just not very consistent. I think it's just a connectivity issue with a wire. But I'm gonna replace that negative battery cable and hopefully that helps. So I'm gonna need, I think that's a 12 or 13 to get that off. I'll need to take these off too. That's probably 11. Okay, so these bolts are 11. I think this is a 12. So let me grab a 12. So I'll just go ahead and take the negative battery terminal off. Hopefully it's not stuck on there. Actually, I need to take this off first. First things first, getting that off. That way I can put this back on so I won't lose the bolts or that cover. All right, let's get this off now. Might have to get a flathead to pry that open a bit. Yeah. Good thing I got a big one right here. Just needs to be spread open real good. Okay, that's off. Tighten that back up a little bit. Set it down here. Okay, yeah, I see. It goes on that bolt down there. Nice. So I guess that looks like a 12 is also. Let's see if it is. Come on, be my lucky day. All right. Get this off and then alright, now that's off. I'm gonna set that down here so I don't lose it. And let's see if this little clip will pinch so I can pull it out. Okay, that's out. And then this is that's a 10 millimeter bolt down there. Alright, this last bolt right here. 10 millimeter. Hopefully will come off nicely. Had to switch up the angle to get it, but it came loose. I know it's rusty. It looks very rusty for some reason. That one little area. All right, set that one down there too. I think I can get this last clip here by pinching the ends. All right, that's out. Let's compare it to the new part. Oh yeah, dead on. OEM quality, or it is OEM, but. So, get this big bolt. Start down here at the where it mounts. Get it tight. Hand tight for now until I get this clip in. Then push that clip through like that. Nice. Okay. Now let me tighten that bottom one. It was a 12. Just tighten down. All right, that's good. Leave that here. Now get our 10mm back and grab our bolt. Get this mounted back down yonder. Go ahead and get the bolt started. Alright, now I can get my, make sure it's on Titan, get this tightened down all the way. Once this is tight, we'll just get it on the battery and we'll be done. Very easy. Alright, that's mounted up. Let's see, what size is that? That is a 10, so perfect. I don't even have to switch it. So let's go ahead and, okay, that's the way it goes. With the one with the lip down here goes to the bottom. Went on way easier that time. So let's get this 10mm nut tightened all the way. If I can get this clip mounted in, boom, yes, perfect. Twist it, make it even. Need to clean that terminal off too, that might be part of my problem. All right, so that's all installed. Let's make sure we're tight down here. We are tight down here. The clips are all in. So let's start this thing up, see if it runs any different, or actually starts up any different, because I was having major problems. Oh, I mean instantly. Yeah, I think that was my main problem, because it hadn't started like that in a while. Ever since those rats ate my wiring harnesses, or my wire harness, it's just, she's running real good. She started up instantly. I'm gonna probably start her up every day for a week to ensure that it's starting consistently again, because if not, then I have a problem elsewhere. But whether that's the problem or not, I'm glad I got that battery cable replaced, because it's 15 years old now, so it needed to be replaced anyway, and it's only 30 bucks. Well worth it to me. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.